Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking quick oats in the air fryer. So what we need is quick oats and milk, and you can add any additions such as sugar. You can use berries, whatever extras you put in your oatmeal. So I'm just going to make one serving, which is half a cup of quick oats. And I'm going to put it in a pan that fits inside the air fryer. So this is half a cup of quick oats. And I'm going to use 3/4 cup of milk. And you can use water instead of milk, or you can use almond milk. It's totally up to you. So add that. And I'm going to add just a little bit of brown sugar as my flavoring. So this is a teaspoon. You can add as much as you like. And I'm going to mix sugar with the oatmeal. And now let's put this pan in the air fryer basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this oatmeal. It's perfectly cooked and looks amazing. Now let me take it out of the air fryer. So this is hot. I'm going to use oven mitts. And let me transfer it to a bowl. See, nice. So here's perfectly cooked oatmeal with amazing texture, just the way I like it. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Delicious. You're going to love cooking oatmeal in the air fryer. It's so easy and you don't need to use the microwave. You have to have the air fryer. You can just make yourself oatmeal for breakfast. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website. It's MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!